This morning we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida for a Gumball 3000 takeover of Supercar Saturdays. And right now we're doing a photo shoot at this lovely $12.5 million mansion here in Fort Lauderdale before we meet up at One of One Motorsports for a convoy over with DDE, Max from Gumball 3000, and the entire team. So we'll have a little event there at Supercar Saturdays, and then I'm headed home. But I will be back in about 3 or 4 weeks for the Gumball 3000. We'll leave out of Miami, go up to Amelia Island, over to New Orleans, out to Austin. They'll continue on to Mexico. Me and the Bugatti are going to head home, but I cannot wait. This is a true bucket list experience that I am finally getting to enjoy. And yes, the car looks wonderful, and everybody's getting some pictures.
I know that guy.
What's up?
Hey, love you long time.
Great to see you.
Good to have you here. Let's have a nice morning, and I'll catch up with you.
How you doing?
Well,
Nice car.
great. Yours as well?
I like the shoes actually.
Oh, thanks.
This guy's always so well put together.
I don't know about
And then
that.
look at this. And then look at me. I look like a slob.
No, you look wonderful. This is very fresh and brand new.
Yeah. It's my plain Lulu shirt.
Excellent.
I'm on the full rally to Mexico with the Veyron.
Oh, the insurance didn't like that idea, so we're gonna go to Austin.
What's insurance?
Yeah.
What's insurance? How do you like that thing?
It's been great. I mean, I put like 9,000 miles on it.
It's amazing.
Actually, 9,000?
Yeah,
Impressive.
Jealous.
So,
I've always
Damon
wanted a
numbers.
Bugatti.
it's time.
What did you put on the Senna? You put on...
I put on a lot. I
Yeah.
put on 10,000 miles.
Okay. Yeah,
One
That's a
year.
lot.
that's a lot. Yes,
That's a lot.
but you guys commute back and forth a lot.
We drove one day. The day we went and picked up my 720 GTR when I was done the body kit. I drove this in 2 Phoenix and back in one day. So that was like 1,000 miles in one day.
Perfect. Well, this will be, I guess, by the time we go to Austin and back to Atlanta, that'll be another 2,500 or so.
Amazing.
Thanks for setting us up.
That's a good,
I appreciate you.
Good daily of Veyron. Because like Dave always loves Bentleys, and I was like, that is the supercar Bentley.
It is. It is very Bentley.
It's like
Bentley seats.
with
What was it,
1,000.
man? We're a family.
That's it. All the right dings, all the right.
Yeah, that's right.
When the speed key went bad, they were like, it's actually a Touareg airbag key with a special handle
I learned that
for just $8,000.
Yeah.
Sorry?
For the speed key for the
It was $8 grand?
$8,000, yeah.
But it's a Touareg airbag. I know Matt's going to come up with one, so he got one from a Touareg.
But it's the $8 grand that it costs to get the badge on it.
That's it.
That says
And
Bugatti.
hours of labor to glue it.
to glue it on. So where are we going right now?
Some
'Cause
parking lot.
I like that.
We're racing parking lot to parking lot.
That
Oh,
makes
yeah, I
sense.
love always the shoes with you, man.
Thank you.
By the way, just for the record, DD's not racing anywhere, but Ed
Right.
Bolian's racing.
Ed Bowling is shoe racing, for the
Yeah,
record.
always street racing.
It's my favorite. Thank you.
Crossing the mustard.
That's it.
You see that lately?
Crossing the mustard.
What don't you understand? I'm a professional. I'm allowed to do this.
Oh my God, that is
Loving
so...
all their stuff.
Dude,
Yes. Why didn't we think of that?
I never thought, something could be more dramatic than my brand. But here's the
AI
day.
satire. Turns out
2026.
raising it up. It's
Let's
the new
go.
donuts and intersections. That's the new. That's the new one.
That's the new benchmark.
That's right.
You
That's
know?
what we're all aiming for right now.
You are no longer... I had my asshole title taken away until I started doing intersection donuts. I'm no longer the internet's asshole. I was hoping I was.
Let me ask you this. Last time you saw my car, it was a different livery. What do you think of the new livery? Last time was Martini, now is miscellaneous.
Dave
It's
quit
not the-
drinking, so no more martini.
It's not the most coherent.
What is that supposed to mean, Ed? What's this? What's that color and that color?
Hey, Ed, have you recently looked at the Gumball livery on your red Veyron? Less cohesive than this.
It's a lot of colors in the livery. All right. Well, I think we're heading out.
Okay.
See you over there.
On
Yeah.
that bombshell.
On Friday, June June 5th, we'll be right back here at the Guitar Hotel for the departure of Gumball 3000, heading north to Amelia Island. But today, it is a Gumball takeover right here at Supercar Saturdays. So I'm here with DDE, Max from Gumball, the whole team, and an amazing convoy of local supercars. And we're gonna get a police escort one light away to the parking lot.
Oh, sweet, we made it to the traffic.
The South Florida car scene is unique. I mean, it is, they all have so much bandwidth to devote to like this, like the infrastructure of going to the car show, that I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's like, it is incredible how much thought, effort, and time went into this. And that's how Gumball works, because it takes thousands of people to pull off Gumball, including the promotional exercises like this. And a lot of it is their team, and a whole lot of it is private contractors and just supporters and enthusiasts around the country and around the world that help them to put on activations like this to kind of spread the Gumball brand. And that's really what it is. I mean, 27 years in, Gumball is much more a brand than an event. And even the events, as they say, are considerably more about getting these, you know, festival atmospheres at each of the destinations for tens or even hundreds of thousands of fans to show up and have a free experience, see all the cars, see the drivers, see the YouTubers that show up. It's awesome. Thank you. Thank you for the stickers. We have arrived at Supercar Saturdays with 25,000 of our closest friends.
Right now, I'm going to bring to the stage Mr. Gumball 3000 himself, Max Cooper!
Whoa, thanks for the intro, Chris. Thank you, Floyd. It's an honor to be here. Hard Rock have been an amazing supporter of Gumball for the last 5 years, and we've done some great things around the world. But to be starting Gumball from here in just like 3 weeks' time on Friday, the 5th of June, you guys got to come back. We're going to set off as we drive over the next 6 days to cross the finish line in Mexico City. Miami to Mexico City, the Hard Rock to Mexico City. It's going to be an incredible ride. We got 120 cars doing it. As always, the most eclectic mix of everything. We got Paganis, Bugattis, Koenigseggs, Ferraris, vintage American muscle cars. We got the likes of DDE that are here. Give them a shout for DDE. And we also got Ed VINwiki here. Come on, Ed, get up here. Another wingman. Let's say a few words.
Oh, thank you for having us. Thank you so much for everybody that came out. It's an amazing event. My first time here, but what a place, what a show. Thank you all.
I think that's it. I want to say thank you again to Floyd, Supercar Saturdays. We're going to do a very special Supercar Fridays on Friday the 5th of June. So that's going to be a mega one. You got to come back for that one. And I think that's it, right? Do you want to send in anything else, Floyd?
Supercar Saturday, we can't do this without all you guys here. Thank you for 10 great years. I appreciate you guys.
Give it up again for Floyd and for Gumball 3000. Thank you guys for turning out.
All right, yo, make sure to subscribe to VINwiki down below. This is a very awesome event. Y'all should pull up next time. Subscribe.
We love Lemon Squad because they can have a certified inspector out to look at a car that you're considering buying within 1 to 3 days. It's the most powerful way to be the shrewdest negotiator possible in a used car transaction. But sometimes even that isn't quick enough, and sometimes you're pressured by a dealership staff or a salesperson into making a decision on the spot. So they have launched the perfect solution for this, Lemon Squad Live. It allows you in less than 2 minutes to set up a video call with one of their certified inspectors at the car you're looking at so they can help you walk through what to look for and what to walk away from. It's the best way to avoid these high pressure, difficult situations where a used car can be a lot to take in and you want to make the best buying decision possible. Using one of their certified inspectors can help you figure out if the paint doesn't match and what to look at for consumable items like brakes, tires, and things like that. How to check the fluids, how to check the functionality of the infotainment. Anything that you need to look around a car to be the most qualified and researched buyer possible. Lemon Squad Live is here to help, so check them out now at the link in the description below or by using the QR code on your screen.